Hello, I'm Jorge Cortez with Santa Barbara Evolution Landscape, and today I'm going to show you how we plan to transform this landscape in order to improve the value and make our client happy. And I'm going to quickly walk you through and show you the different areas that will be able to make the most difference. Here we will have to hard prune and reduce the weight of this trumpet vine by 50% in order to relieve stress on the structure and the gutters. This green waste pile will be hauled away and removed from the site. Here, to reduce the clutter, we're going to remove the weeds, trim and prune these plants, remove that tree in that corner, and then remove this dead avocado from the bottom. Here we're going to reduce the size of these plants, thin them out. We're going to remove the dead wood from these citrus trees and prune them appropriately so they are evenly shaped. This tree will be cut down all the way to the stump because it's dead. We will remove the weeds from the planters all along the perimeter there. We will remove this vine and this lattice that's no longer upright. We will remove all this excess soil from the sides of the walkway and the soil on the walkway. This olive tree will have a major hard prune and increase the canopy up to about 15 feet from the bottom. We will rake and remove all the excess leaves in here. We will remove all the weeds here and rake and smooth out the leaves and mulch. We will weed whack the perimeter of all the tall grass and weeds growing there on the slope. We will clear and weed whack a walkway leading to the bottom of the property. We will thin out these plants and remove all the excess leaves in this area. And finally, we will blow the driveway and wrap up this cleanup job. So I highly recommend you take some time out of your day to walk around your property, make notes of what the areas of your landscape you can improve, and then schedule it so you can make it happen. But if you need any help with landscaping services, please give us a call at 805-453-9551, and we will be more than happy to help you.